Hey everyone, super excited for you to be checking out what we're so excited about, our amazing company, PartnerCo. I know somebody invited you to this presentation and I want to respect your time, but I'm excited to share. My name is Brent Palmer. I'm a chairperson with PartnerCo. I've been here since day one. I've been in the industry for over 16 years full time, and I was actually one of the master distributors of one of our brands that's inside of PartnerCo. What I'm excited about is I have the opportunity to share on the Global Partners Council as well as our executive council and around the world inside of this company. But I want to share with you a little bit about our company. So we launched, keep this in mind, we launched February of 2023. So we are a new company spreading this around the world. But what we did is in February of 2023, we brought companies together under one roof, named the company PartnerCo. And here was the beauty. Our product lines were backed by real science that were not on trial. We knew they were creating transformations because they have in the industry. But we also wanted to be able to innovate new products from those product lines, and we're doing that, okay? But we've got this brand new company we're taking to the world. And here's the thing. When we started in February of 2023, because bringing these companies together, because of government working relationships, banking relationships around the world, infrastructures around the world, we're in over 50 countries. We have businesses all over Europe. We have businesses all over China. We have our own China license. We have businesses all over Japan, all over North America, as well as 50 countries, right? So it is a big global opportunity for us to share this new company. What I love is our product lines, day one, went across all of the mega trends in the industry: energy drinks, sports performance, dietary supplements, functional foods. We go across the mega trends and we're innovating new products that are going to go into these mega trends in the future. We're led by two amazing men and their families. Darren Zobrist comes from a background of being a CEO of many companies, but what I love is he has been the CEO, and what he's known for is creating companies that are built to last, financially built to last. He and John Wadsworth has brought this company here. We're debt free from day one. And you've got John on the right, John Wadsworth, been in our industry for over nearly 3 decades, doing what we do. So that's why he serves as our Chief Brand Partner Officer. These two guys are best friends and they make an amazing team. And what I love about it is they come to us, they come to our events, standing on top of a mission and values that the company lives by. We want to power health and prosperity around the world. We want to help people create longevity in their life. We want to double down on product quality so that people know they're putting the best in their body. But we also want to pay people very handsomely for helping us share the brands. Not only just pay them, but we also want to travel the world together. We want to create time freedom so we can spend time with the people we love and be a part of that process. So they go around the world sharing the values. One of the things I love that Darren and John say is companies that are built to last have to have principles. They have to have values that they stand by. And we have that here with PartnerCo. They're also surrounding themselves with executives that understand our industry, executives that have built billion-dollar brands around the world. So they are surrounding themselves with the industry's best. One of the things I want you to understand is our product approach. We're collaborating science with nature, fruits, vegetables, and plants. And we're collaborating that with science, like where people can go do their own due diligence. These products are tested and proven. They're actually bringing together and have brought together an amazing scientific advisory board, helping us create innovative new products, as well as bringing together wellness councils and athletic councils around the world. We've just recently introduced Dr. Joshua Plant, our new Chief Science Officer, that is helping deliver and talk about our products to the field, as well as innovate new products. We're creating portfolios of products that are solutions that last. When you think about immunity for people, mood, daily health, hormone support, weight management, we're creating products that are creating solutions in the body for people. Now, I want to show you this one product. It is a product that we sold over 1 million units last year, just getting started. And I want to tell you, this product has a significant difference, and it's creating results in people fast. And that's exciting. And it's doing so much more than just weight loss. Check out this. What I love about this product, and we have sold over 1 million units of this product, and we're just getting started with this product because it does so much. The side effect is weight loss. It's what you can see with your eyes. But as you're dropping the weight, it's doing so much more in the body. And so these 2 bottles are a month's supply. And what I love is there's no contraindication to medication. They're hormone free, they're stimulant free, they're really good for the body. We see people in 90 days of using this product, yes, they see results quick. Men tend to lose about 2/3 of a pound a day with our clinical studies on this program. Women, about a half a pound a day. But over the course of 90 days, the transformations are incredible on these 2 products that last a month. And so when you think about hormone imbalance, as you're starting to balance the hormones in the body, which this product does, it's accomplishing so many things and providing solutions to so many problems people walk around with every single day. So that's where the real results are coming with our people inside of this product. The side effect is weight loss. You can visually see that, but it's doing so many other things in the body. Especially think about stress. What it's doing there is incredible. So I highly recommend get you some of this product if you hadn't already. And all we did is we created a system of growth. We said this product is sweeping and will sweep the world. We're putting this product in all of our markets. So we created a system to leverage social media so people could turn it into a profit center. And we're allowing people not only to tap into our 8 ways we're paid in the compensation plan, but also tap into a 9th way, daily pay, if you choose. So we've created an app, okay, that when you enroll, you get this out. Literally an 8-year-old could do this if you can copy and paste. It's a plug and play system that we've done everything for you all the way to the point of sale. So we go to social media with authentic posts, not company posts, but real authentic posts bragging on people's results, and people come to those posts. I want to give you an example of the one on the left. This post was done. 5 customers came. This person made $60 of profit per box. That's $300. One day, $300. How amazing is that? And here's the thing. By you partnering with us, you get access to all of this. So how do you partner with us? Well, you spend $29.95 USD, and that gets you completely set up with everything you need to not only use the product, but scale your business. And then from there, you just make the decision. Here's the thing. In your first 4 pay periods, we pay every Friday here. We want to help you get to a place in the comp plan called ultimate status. It's the highest payout. It qualifies you for everything in our compensation plan for life. How do you do that? Well, we're going to help you move these drops to 30 people in your first 4 pay periods using our system. We're going to lock arms with you, show you how to do that. By the way, 30 customers will net you $2,500 of profit right back in, right into your bank account. Now, here's the fun thing. We have several different options. Option number 1 is you could buy a 4-pack, and our system will help you sell 3 of the boxes. That pays for the whole pack, and you would have a box for yourself for free. Or option number 2, you could purchase a 10-pack, okay? A 10-pack, when using our system, is going to make you over $800 of profit. Or option number 3 is you purchase a 30-pack. You go, you know what? I want to get the monkey off my back. I want to be ultimate day 1 and then move. Guess what? We're going to move the 30 boxes in your first 4 pay periods, but you've just decided to start at the highest rank day 1. It's your choice. At the end of the day, you're then going to tap into all the ways we're paid inside of the compensation plan, the 8 different ways, and you're going to be off and rolling, and we will show you all of this. Also, you're going to want to get on subscribe and save. Why? Because it unlocks 30% discount for life, weekly pay, loyalty shopping, which is discounted products. They're amazing, and our incentive trips. At the end of the day, we want to partner with you. Get back with the person that got you on this call. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Get your questions answered and help us share this brand new company to the world as we sweep across over 50 countries. Thank you for being here.